R.I.P. to that bird. It's gonna be his grave.
We connected to the palm.
Yeah. He said the fucking dude with the crane's gonna come. So.
Yeah. See what happens. I thought they were doing it already. My dad's like, go over there just in case Art don't get there so you can start recording. Because he thought they were already starting.
Yeah. Yeah, I got here early, good thing. But I mean, we're still waiting on the crane anyway.
Looks straight off. That's still kind of leaning off.
Looks pretty straight. Maybe a little this way. Like just a little this way.
So this way now?
Yeah, I think I can do it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Oh, yeah, it kind of looks
good. Yeah. Looks pretty straight to me. Finishing it off. Smile for the camera, bro. Oh, that flick. Oh. The craftsmanship. That's pretty good. Let's fucking stomp it out. we offer the client customer service. That's what Yuma Desert Contractors is all about. Clean the lawn. And then a good old car wash. Customer service. That's what we say at Yuma Desert Contractors, huh? Done. I look like a proud father.